So, good morning, ladies. Today we'll perform our regular maintenance, and work permit has been issued by our captain, and we're expected to perform crankshaft deflection exactly 900 hours, and we're expected to be done at 1,000 hours.
Sir. Yes, sir.
First and foremost, I do not like a dead man in my engine room. I would like you to prioritize safety by wearing your personal protective equipments. Prepare the first aid and isolation of the main engine.
We already isolated, sir.
And I already do the housekeeping and secure the area, sir.
Great. Manual. I know you have studied for today's
Yes,
operation.
sir. I already read the manual and prepare the tools to be used and also the special tools used during the operation.
Good job, Cadet.
I already verified the tools being prepared by the cadets, the 17-inch combination range program is door and the dial indicator for the crankshaft deflector, sir.
Good job, second engineer. Spares required.
Spare required the shell bearing and the main bearing with quantity of 12.
Delegations of tasks.
Sir, I want to be a toolman for this operation, sir, and I want to assist. And I want to assist second engineer for crankshaft deflection operations.
Good job, Cadet. I know you are eager to perform the crankshaft deflection. But today, we will utilize the operation of our crankshaft deflection for the promotion of our second engineer. Next. Cadet, you will be the one who will perform with the motor, and second engineer will perform the crankshaft deflection while I will evaluate.
Yes, sir.
Next, work permit has been issued by the captain, and we're expected to be done at 0900 hours, and we're expected to start the operation at 0900 hours and to be done at 1000 hours. Cadet, prepare the PMS in the logbook for the documentation, and don't forget, I will take pictures for the documentation of our operation, and that I'm expecting you to sign the logbook for the operations that have been done.
Yes, sir.
Second engineer, why is crankshaft deflection needed to be done?
Crankshaft deflection, sir, is a measurement of the misalignment of the main bearing, sir.
Cadet, where is it done?
It is done, sir, by placing the dial indicator between the crank web at its designated point and by rotating the crankshaft to its designated angle.
Second engineer, what are the spares that are needed to be prepared? Spare parts.
Pick on the shell bearing, sir, and the main bearing.
Okay, it seems that we are ready. Head to the main engine and prepare for the crankshaft deflection.
Yep, sir.